Hi everyone, it's Beck here from FML, Food's My Life. It's been a long time since I've done a video and I thought, you know what, I'm in the kitchen today anyway, so why not just put the camera on and I can share with you what I'm baking. Today is the 23rd of December, which means I have a couple of days left to make that traditional Sri Lankan cake that I do every year called Breudher. Now Breudher is actually a Dutch recipe. It's a Dutch cake that was brought to Sri Lanka when the Dutch colonized the island, and I have literally been eating this cake for breakfast on Christmas Day almost every year of my life. Some years I make heaps of them and I share them with friends and family, sell them to people in the Sri Lankan community, but this year has been a little hectic. Just moved into a new place, new kitchen. So I thought, no, I'm just going to make a couple of cakes for the family. It's going to take me all day to make 2 of these cakes. Let's get started. Now that I have this dough, I have to turn it out onto a floured surface, set the timer for 15 minutes, and knead. Now that my beautiful dough has doubled in size, fun part, get to punch it down. Oh, so satisfying. And now it's time to actually make the cake. Now that my dough is done, it's cake time. 2.5 hours into the process, I actually start making the cake. This is the most painful part of making the cake. I've creamed the butter and sugar. Now I've got a dough hook back on the machine, and over a period of half an hour, I have to gradually add the dough to the eggs. Over half an hour. But I have to stick to the recipe, because if I don't do these things, I betcha it won't turn out the way it needs to. Oh yes! Oh my gosh, that's perfect! Oh, it smells so good too. Perfect. I'm gonna have a very happy family this Christmas.